Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Hi Hubert. Well. Alright, nice to see you here. Okay, hi, and we have Flora, Carol, the usual group. Roger, yes, Roger. Yes, 昨天在派钱哈 ，Alright， 好啦，今天要回到工作岗位啦 ，OK。今天要回到工作岗位，赚多一点钱来分，再继续分啊。OK， 昨天没抢到哈。OK， 没关系，下个星期四啊。All right, guys. Yes. Hi, CK, Fab, Trinet, Aiden, 还有 Bradley， 大家好。All right, thank you so much for coming in again. All right, so for those, I think, yesterday, all right, has came into my YouTube. All right, this is my job. Okay, so just to let you know. All right, so yeah, I'm a full-time trader, investor here. That's why. Okay, okay. So yeah, I'm just yesterday I'm doing something to contribute to the society. That's all. Okay. Okay. So today let's come back here, and what are we going to expect to see over here? Okay. Can I have my MT4, please? Thank you. Oh, wow, that's nice. All right. Okay. So yeah, let's get into our analysis. All right. So that we can quickly. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. So what do we expect in Friday? Keep your profit. Oh, that's good. Okay. That's right. Well. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So over here, all right. What we are going to do is that, okay, we are going to plan out our trade to make sure we have a planning before we get ourselves into the investment. All right. Okay. So yes, that's correct. All right. So let's move. Okay. Quickly identify the trend for this Aussie cat first. Okay. So let us take a look. The trend over here we can see is actually moving as a bear, right? Yeah, there is a bear trend. So I want to consider selling today? Well, we still have about 45 pips to reach the bull zone here. Okay, but of course it's already in 25%. As we can see over here, as we can see right here, the support level. Okay, and this zone here is actually more or less is in the 25%. So it's considered, it can consider as can be dangerous in the sense. Okay, so over here, what we are going to do is that we have to take note. Okay, we have to take note about is it safe for us? Is it safe for us to actually continue to sell over here? Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Yeah. You cannot. Is it? Okay. So, yes, that's right. Okay. So we have to be very careful. Okay. Yeah. Why is that? Sorry, Roger. Roger was saying, okay, so for Aussie, for Aussie cat over here. Okay. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Correct. That's right. So, in a way, okay, this is something that we need to take note. Okay, because as we can see right now, we are actually into the we actually set up a support, as you can see. Okay. So over here in this case, for this support, it is not that ideal to continue to sell. However, it can also be a trending market. That's right, trending market. Okay. So over here, this is also something that we just need to be patient to see if it can hit on the resistance where previous support has become the resistance over here. Okay, because right now, as we can see, this is a trending market. Am I right? Okay, that's right. Okay, so where is the previous support? Okay, this is the previous support that we actually break through yesterday, and now came here. If you're asking me, okay, if I'm going to continue the selling, I will want to break the support, okay, then with a new resistance below, then I will continue the selling, okay. Aussie franc over here. Yes, Aussie franc. Well, yesterday we have a good selling. Okay, I believe all of us have grabbed some profit over here, 72 pips, correct? Okay, so over here in this case, for this Aussie franc, currently it's going to have a retracement. I guess it's going to retest the bear zone once again. So I guess this is not the right time for me to sell. All right. However, now if by looking at this swing over here, right, it's somehow or rather is actually still in this area. So will there be a chance that actually will continue the selling? Well, let's take a look first. Okay. Okay, so are we in the trending market right now? Okay, looking at this right now, okay, it is going to test on the resistance up here. Okay, let me bring this down to the support level. Okay, and now look at this resistance. Okay, this resistance level here. Okay, where the previous support been tested, and now become the resistance. So I will say that the Aussie franc will have a good chance to sell. Now we have about 18 to 20 pips, correct? 18 to 20 pips. So 18 to 20 pips. In this case, I will want to wait for it to test the resistance. Then we will see, we'll observe whether it will break the resistance, and then I will give up. If it's not breaking and to reverse back, okay, with new cycle, okay, then I will trade. However, this is a retracement trading, okay, retracement. So it can also be kind of dangerous out there, huh? For people who are not very well versed with retracement trading, so just stay away, okay? So for people who are okay and you are good with retracement trading, I would say that, well, you can pay attention to this. However, let me tell you, okay, we have about 40 pips to go. Okay, about 40 pips from here to the support here. It's about 40 pips, but it can be very dangerous because today is Friday. Okay, today is Friday. So by looking at today's calendar, we are actually quite safe to trade. Okay, but I know people may be asking, today is a Friday at 13, will it affect? Okay, no. Okay, that's a myth. Okay, anyway, all right. So we are pretty safe. Okay, we are pretty safe. But since today is still on the Friday, okay, we don't trade any retracement trading. Okay, so we just leave this out first. Okay, Aussie Yen. All right, Aussie Yen. Yes, yesterday. Congratulations for people who actually traded the Aussie Yen. Okay, I guess this is quite good. Right, so we are going into the bear, which is good. All right, so since we are in the bear, and now we are still going on the trending market. Okay, just started only. Okay, one trending stop coming again. So will there be any trending again? So let's take a look. Where are we going to enter for a trade? Okay, so yeah, that's right. Okay, over this part here, as you can see. If you can see over here, right, over this part here, as we can see, right, support tested and break. So very likely this is quite a big one, huh? Wow, very big. Okay, so we are staying in nowhere. All right, so for Aussie Yen, let's see if Aussie Yen, okay, now Aussie Yen in terms of the cycle H1, this is the resistance, and it has actually break the resistance here. Okay, so looks like it's going to retest the previous resistance to become a support. So I would suggest no, Aussie Yen just stay away. Okay. Although yes, although it is in the bear, yes, Aussie Yen is in the bear. However, by looking at this today, it's very highly likely it's going to be a retracement. So let's wait for the retracement to be ended. Okay, to end the retracement, then we start trading. So I guess it will very likely going to be next week. Okay, so just skip this first. Okay, just be safe. Today is Friday. Remember that. Okay. Can we trade on this if the second half? Yes, you can trade on the second half because today is quite safe. There's no any high impact news. Yes, still can. Like example, like Aussie franc, Aussie yen, probably today with the first half may on the upward trend. Maybe it hits on the resistance on the second half, then it will come back. Okay, so yeah, that's possible. All right, but that's what I'm looking at for Aussie franc and Aussie yen. So currently in this 4-hour session, the first half I will not touch. Okay. All right. So Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull. So we are going to retest the bear zone here before it actually decided to come down. So I'm not, as I'm a seller, I'm not going to give this a, miss. Okay. So I'm not going to touch this. All right. So how about Aussie Dollar? Aussie Dollar. Yes, we are in the bear. We are in the bear zone. Nice. But however, today, same thing, we are having a retracement, okay, supported, and we are in the retracement today. So once again, okay, since it's a trending market from the top here, lower resistance, a lower high, and now coming back, we are actually going for another 36 pips before we can continue the selling from this area to here about 70 pips. However, looking at this, okay, it looks good to me. In fact, it looks good to me. Okay, so I would say that let's wait first. Okay, but it will probably may become a retracement, but this retracement is not very big, so still consider pretty good. Okay, still consider pretty good. All right. So Aussie Dollar. Okay, I'm going to put Aussie Dollar into my watch list. Okay, I'm going to put this as sell Aussie Dollar. Okay, and I'm going to sell this. Right, but we still need to wait for it to test the resistance before I'm going to take action. All right. Okay. How about Euro Aussie? Well. Euro Aussie. We are in the bull market. After it reaches on the it meets up with the resistance. Now it's actually having a retracement to retest. Well, where it is going to retest, very likely it will be here. As I can see, it's still in the bull. It's going to retest the bull. Okay, so will it be good for us to sell? I guess this is a retesting. It's a retest in the retesting mode where actually it started to sell, and now over here, as you can see, we have a support. Correct. So since the retesting has already met up with the support and we are in the bull, okay, and I guess probably no, just give this up. Okay. Yeah. Seems like today, after the first 4 days of the beginning of the week until now, well, a lot of fantastic movement. But until today, I think it's not really something that we want anymore. Okay, all right. How about Eurocad? Yes, we are right. So finally, and yes, I'm very happy to say that we are right in the reading since the beginning of the week until today. Yes, it's actually hits on the door of the between the bull and the bear. It comes back for a retesting, so it's going to retest the bull zone here. We have about 35 to 36 pips to go, so selling is possible, but look at where is the point of resistance that we should sell, and where is the point of support that we are going to take our profits and leave. Okay, so lower resistance, away from lower resistance, another lower resistance, wow, over here. Okay, so that means to say we can see there's a trending and a big drop over here. So over here, I guess that if we are going to continue the selling Eurocad, probably I will want to wait for it to break the support. Okay, wait for it to break the support so that we will have about 35 pips to go. Okay, about 35 pips to go. All right. So sorry, it should be less than 35, 25, about 25 pips. Okay, it's about 25 pips, huh? All right. So yeah, that's it. Okay. So as you can see, this is the spot that I actually looking out for. All right. So I have to break the support first and build a new resistance below. Then I start selling. Okay. Yeah. So yep. Okay. Although yeah. Can we? Yes. Like can we continue the selling for this? Yes, but we are a little bit tight. So try to scalp it and don't squeeze the profits. Okay. Try not to squeeze as too much. Okay. So as usual, I'm going to skip Euro Pound for the moment, and let's go for Euro Yen. Euro Yen, are we in the bear? Currently, I would say yes, we are in the bear. However, today is a sign of retracement. So let's see where's the support will be likely here, and hopefully we start to have a trending. Okay, so trending market. I hope you start to form a trending market which is quite near. All right, so I guess something here, somewhere here. Yep. Okay, let me see. It should be here. Okay, it should be here. We are very, very, very near. Okay, Euro Yen without saying. Okay. Without going for too much of explanation, I think we should. It's very clear that if we're going to sell, we sell around this area. Okay, then it will have a new cycle in H1. Yeah, coming. All right, then we'll continue the selling. So we will have about 93 pips of space. Wow, that's very fantastic. CK. Okay, CK mock. Can you see? Okay, this is your structure. Okay, so very straightforward. I'm going to put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay, into my watch list. All right. Okay, so next to go, Euro Kiwi, right? Euro Kiwi. So let's see what is the trend for Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi, we are in the bull trend. Okay, we are in the bull. So in the bull, we're having a retracement for the past 3 days, and be very careful. Okay, be very careful first, because we are in the bull. So don't think that, okay, I'm looking out for this. Okay, there's a selling candle. I'm going to enter for a sell. No. Not like this. Okay. In investment, you don't do this. It's very dangerous. Okay. So very likely today, I would say that it's a retracement, but the support is also very near. Okay. So probably buyer, please, it's your time. Okay, buyer. So over here, we are only around 32 pips, and once it hits on the support without breaking, I think it should going up for a buy. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to give this a miss. Euro dollar. How about Euro dollar? Euro dollar again. Euro dollar, we are in the bear. Yes, we are in the bear market right now. So right now in the bear market, okay, we are going to sell. However, are we going to experience some retracement? Yes. Okay, we have been selling for the past 4 days. Okay, so today, please let it go a bit, okay? So that we will not be too over complacent. Okay, so yes, okay, so let's look. This is where is the resistance. I think it's pretty high up. Okay, so just Euro dollar, I think we have to give this a miss today. Okay, yeah. Right, Pound Aussie. Yes, let's look at Pound Aussie. So Pound Aussie, after it hits on the bull, we test the bull. Now it's at the verge. Okay, it's the same thing. It's at the verge. So you can see this area. I drew this area, the lines here. This is the door to the bull. So that means to say we are still in the transition area. So since we are still in the transition area, okay, so probably we may have a chance to sell. Okay, let's take a look first. Okay, we may have a chance to sell. So over here, resistance, yeah, retested the resistance. The resistance actually tested. Let me see. Is this a mustaches here? Okay. All right. So right now, since that's the case, Aussie, I will be looking at these chances of retesting the support will be here. Okay, Pound Aussie, Pound Aussie. We have about 100 pips to go. So let's wait. Okay, so let's wait for Pound Aussie. We can wait to wait for a chance. Okay, to wait for a chance of it retrace upwards to retest. Then we come back again. So we are in the middle. Actually, we are in the middle. Right? Yes, we're in the middle. So over here, as you can see, there's a support here, higher support, and over here now it has a higher support here, but it has started to break through the pattern. The pattern has been disrupted, so I guess there will be a good chance. But we just need another new cycle. Okay, another new cycle to sell. Okay, another new cycle to sell. So I guess this is pretty good. Okay, let me see. Is there's another one? Okay, a lower one here. The resistance. Yes, that's right. Okay, so let's wait for this Pound Aussie to test on this resistance. Then we start selling. Okay, Pound Aussie, yeah, quite good. Okay, Pound Aussie is quite good by looking at this. Okay, so Pound Aussie. Yes. Okay, so let's go. Poundcad. Let's take a look at Poundcad. All right, Poundcad, we are coming back in the bear zone to retest the bull. We are in the bear, and now last week it's actually retracing upwards, and this week it has a chance of retesting the bull. So we are very near to the bull. We only have 35 pips as well. So the support has no change. Okay, the support has no change, but the resistance, there's a resistance change. As you can see, look carefully. Okay, look carefully. There's a resistance here from the left shoulder. It built up a head, and the right shoulder is coming soon. Okay, coming soon. If the right shoulder comes in and break, very highly likely it will continue the selling. Okay, continue the selling into the bull zone. So that means to say you have a good chance to test about 70 pips, 70. Okay, so Poundcad, well, also very potential. Okay, I'm going to put this Poundcad into my list as well. Okay, Poundcad. Okay. Okay, so Pound Franc. Pound Franc is actually now just give it up for seller. Okay, buyer is quite a lot of turbulence here. So I think I'm going to give up this. Okay, so yeah, forget about this. All right. So neither for buyer nor seller. Okay, so just give up. Okay. So how about Pound Yen? Yes, Pound Yen. Congratulations once again. The analysis yesterday, yes, we hit on the jackpot. Well done. Okay, so yes, as you can see, all right. So over here, let's see, we are going to sell, but today we are having a retracement. So same thing, the retracement, as you can see, set up the support, and it is over here. Look, you can see it's coming down lower resistance, lower, and then it start to break through the support. Correct, break through the support, and now it is still in the selling trend. Yes, it is still in the selling trend. Exactly. Okay, so since it's still in the selling trend, okay, over here we are going to look out for a new cycle to sell. A new cycle to sell. I would say that it's very near now, coming soon. Okay, like this. Okay, as you can see, H4 is forming up a new resistance. That means a lower resistance compared to the previous one. Correct? Compared to the previous one. So as you can see, since that's compared to the previous one, now we are having a lower resistance. So a new cycle is coming. It also shows that the cycle coming to sell. Highly likely, Pound Yen, we are going to have a chance to sell once again. Okay. So yeah, I would say that yes, we do have a good chance to sell over here if this is the resistance. All right. So without breaking off on this resistance, as you can see, now the resistance has been tested. Now coming to have a new cycle to sell. Well, that's good. Okay, so guys, you can pay attention to this. Okay. Yep. All right. So Pound Yen, I'm going to put this into my list as well. Okay. Pound Yen. Okay. Poundcad and Pound Yen. Wow. I think these two are very, very potential. Okay. What about Pound Kiwi? Okay. Pound Kiwi. Okay. Let's take a look at Pound Kiwi over here. Pound Kiwi. Right. Pound Kiwi over here. Well, Pound Kiwi, we are actually moving into the bull. Today, we have some retracement in the bull market. Buying. Buyers, take note. Okay, seller, stay away. No. Okay, seller, please stay away. Okay, so over here, support, very obvious, is here. Although we still have a very big space for the retracement, but there's one more. They may respect the moving support over here. then we are only about 15 pips. So that's why seller must stay away. Okay. All right. So buyers can take note. Okay, but seller got to stay away. Okay. Like me, I'm a seller. Okay. So over here, pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. We are in the bear again, having a retracement. Check where is the starting point of the retracement, which is here. Okay, form up and test. It's not breaking, and now it's coming back. So let's see. Okay, after the retesting over here, and there's one trending here. Okay, over this side. So this is quite potential as well. So just pay attention to this. Okay, pound dollar, I will want to wait for it to test on the resistance over here or even here. Okay, so here or here. There's two. This I would say that this is the main core resistance, but over here is the trending resistance. Okay, so we have about 50 pips away as well. I guess it's going to be the second half of the day. Okay, so be patient. Okay, yeah, I'm going to put this pound dollar. I would say that pretty good if the resistance is not breaking. Okay, all right. So let's move again. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD over here. Okay, dollar CAD. Dollar have been very strong for the past few days. Yes, indeed, and still in the bull, running in the bull. Today we have some retracement. So will it be good for us to sell today since there's a retracement? I would say no, because the support level is too near. Okay, so is it good to buy as well? It's also okay to buy, but not to sell. Okay, we are actually standing at this part here. We only have about 29 pips. Okay, 29 pips is a good space provided you are in the correct trend. Okay, so since now right is a retracement, it's not the correct trend. We are going anti the trend. So I think no, it is not good. All right. So buyers, please take note for dollar CAD. Okay. All right. So dollar franc, very straightforward. We are in a very bullish. So there's nothing we can do for buyers. Can take note. Seller stay away. All right. So how about dollar yen? Yes, dollar yen. We are still in the transition over here, whereby this is still respecting. Can you see? It's still respecting the moving support over here. So kind of tough. Okay, we are still in the bull. There's no change in the trend yet. Okay, so as you can see very clearly, it comes down. It hits on the purple line supported by the world trend. Okay, so it is still going on the bull side. So on the bull side, yes, it's on the bull side. Okay, let's take a look here. Will there be a chance that it will start to retrace downwards? I will say yes, there's still a chance. Okay, because it is still in the making of the bear market. It is in the back. Yes, it is. It is in the making. Okay, let me show you. Okay, go up, higher support. Then now this higher support has been tested. Okay, and now they are trying to disrupt. They are disrupting the trend. Right now. So over here, since it's disrupting the trend right now over here, in this session, okay, we are actually moving towards about 75 pips to retest the support once again if it's going to high. Okay, so please be very careful if you want to sell. Okay, so in this case, we are in the bull in the making. That means in the transition to sell. But we are just we still have good space before it hits on the support. Okay, so today I guess dollar yen we can pay attention. Okay, we can pay attention to it. Actually, it's quite good, huh? Looking at this, huh? Okay, just bear in mind now we have a new cycle already. So just look out for the new one trigger point that you can enter. Okay, then I think dollar yen will be quite good for us to pay attention as well today. Okay, all right. So let's see what do we have here for Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin over here. Well, Bitcoin has been testing the low. Looking out for a very strong support. I think generally for this what do we call this? Okay, Bitcoin. Because of this yes. Teva, correct? It should be read as Teva, correct? Terraform. Okay, Terraform, not Teva. It's Terraform. Okay, Terraform. So the Terraform again, it hosts this blockchain. Okay, so that's why all these so-called the whole system, okay, that it's actually, Terra developers had earlier stopped and restarted the blockchain. So it caused a drop because of all this, right? But I believe it is not very big issue. I would see that this is an opportunity. I will see that it's an opportunity, right? Okay, so Riano, this is I've been waiting for days. You have been waiting for days. Okay, I think quite good. I would say that since you're waiting for days and without any entry, I guess this is the correct structure and system as a trader before you actually jump into any trade. Okay, when it's coming for a sell, then you go and sell. When it's coming for a buy, go and buy. You'll get yourself so confused. You'll be risking your money into the speculation. Okay, so I would say that instead of speculate this Bitcoin, okay, I would rather treat it as an asset to buy. Okay, I think that will be so much better, so that it will help you in your investment. So it will be so much clearer in a way that it will also really give you a better vision, okay, of what you're going to do. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's all for. Okay. What is that? What's wrong? What's wrong with my MT4? Okay. Right. Okay, let me see. Once again. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are going to sell. Sawadee krap, gong si. Okay, so we have come to the end of this analysis. All right. So we are going to sell Aussie Dollar, Eurocad, Euro Yen, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Yen, Pound Dollar, and Dollar Yen. So guys, remember, okay, there will be some of the currency that we need to wait for the second half of the day. When it tested the resistance, then we will be able to sell. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, all right, guys. I guess that's about all for me. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. People who are new to my video, remember to click on the subscribe button. Right, ring up the bell so that you will catch me whenever I go live. All right, so of course, people who have actually came to me in Malaysia. Okay, in Malaysia, so I'm very thankful that yesterday we attended the event. We are going to have that event on every Thursday for Malaysians. All right, so this is my some other program, okay, in my YouTube channel, huh? So this is my main call. All right, so yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, I shall wish you good luck in your trading. With bountiful profits, remember to keep your profit tight this week. Okay, I wish you good luck. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend.